Hello everyone! In this course, we will learn the backfilling of bridges and culverts and other structures together. First, let's understand the concept of 3 backfill. 3 backfill refers to the backfilling behind the abutment, backs on both sides of the culvert and retaining wall. Usually, we need to construct bridges, culverts, retaining walls and other structures separately, and then connect these structures with the subgrade to form a whole. The backfilling of the gaps between the structures and the original subgrade is the content of 3 backfill. The quality of 3 backfill directly affects the driving effect of the road surface, which is commonly known as the bumpy ride phenomenon. The construction process of 3 backfill is the same as that of soil embankment construction, which is to fill and compact layer by layer horizontally from low to high. Before filling, the area that needs to be backfilled should be cleaned up, and there should be no floating soil or impurities. The construction quality control is mainly carried out from the following aspects. 1. Requirements for backfilling materials and scope of backfilling. 2. Backfilling time. 3. Backfilling requirements. 4. Other precautions. Let's introduce them one by one. 1. The backfilling material for 3 backfill should be permeable materials, such as crushed stone, gravel soil, and sand soil, lightweight materials, inorganic stabilized materials, with a particle size less than 50 millimeters. If non-permeable soil is used for backfilling behind the abutment, the filling material with poor soil quality and high moisture content should be treated, and if necessary, the soil can be replaced or mixed with a small amount of lime or cement. The backfilling range requirement is, generally, the length of the backfilling behind the abutment is in the direction of the road line, and the top is not less than the height of the abutment plus 2 meters from the end of the wing wall. The bottom is controlled to a length not less than 2 meters from the inner edge of the foundation. The length of the backfilling behind the arch bridge abutment should not be less than 3 to 4 times the height of the abutment, and the length of the backfilling on each side of the culvert should not be less than twice the length of the aperture. 2. The backfilling time requirement for 3 backfill. Generally, after the strength of the structure reaches 75% of the design strength, backfilling can begin. One thing to note is that for structures with arches, such as culverts, the strength needs to reach 85% of the design strength before backfilling. When the strength of the culvert reaches 100% of the design strength, topsoil can be filled. When the compacted thickness of the fill is greater than 50 centimeters, heavy machinery and vehicles can be used. 3. Backfilling requirements. The backfilling shall be filled in layers, and the moisture content shall be strictly controlled. The loose paving thickness of each layer should be less than 20 centimeters. When small tamping machines are used, the loose paving thickness of highways above grade 1 should not be greater than 15 centimeters, and shall be fully compacted. As shown in the figure, culverts are backfilled symmetrically to ensure that structures are balanced under pressure. Within 100 centimeters near the structure, small compaction machines and tools are used for compaction. Another compaction method is to use pulse hydraulic compaction equipment for rolling backfilling, which has no impact on the structure, is more targeted, and has better compaction effect. 4. Attention should be paid to the backfilling behind the bridge abutment. The backfilling behind the bridge abutment and the fill on the cone slope should be constructed simultaneously, and the compaction degree of the backfilling should reach 96% or more. When the backfilling area is narrow, Low-grade mixed soil or mortar masonry can be used for backfilling. It is best to backfill the fill of the backfilling area of the embankment together with the adjacent roadbed. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.